Here is lesson 18 for snare. We will play number 43. Now, one thing that you will hear about 43 is that for some instruments, we move in thirds. Other instruments, we go up in intervals. Now, that means a lot of things. Thirds, intervals, that can explain a few things. We're just going to talk about one thing right now. If you look at the mallet side, that is intervals. B flat, C, B flat, D, B flat, E flat, B flat, F. That is moving up in intervals. A second, a third, a fourth, a fifth, and then back down. So when you hear me talk about intervals, as a snare, non-pitched percussion, snare, bass drum, tambourine, triangle, those are non-pitched instruments. It means they don't have a pitch, or you don't have a pitch that you can change. For us, all you have to know is that means that they are changing notes based on the key. You have B flat, then C, then back to B flat, then D, then back to B flat, then E flat. Okay, so that's what that means for us, and that will help you out as we get to the mallets. Alright, so number 43, you should already look through it and be ready to go. So, before we do that, let me tell you about our code word. Our code word is warm up. Warm up. It is a fantastic thing to do. It's also the title of number 44. Alright, here we go. 43 for snare drums only. And 1, 2, ready, and. I added one extra flam tap in there. Alright, did you get the multiple bounce strokes? Did you get the accents? Did you get the flam taps? Okay, make sure you get all of that. For instance, in measure 1. Did you hear that? The multiple bounce is louder. And then at the end, it's the same. Oop, that was weak. Okay? When you hit accents, make sure your accents are a little bit louder. 4 quarter notes. I want to accent the 3rd quarter note. Hear that difference? That is what makes a true musician, is being able to play things like those accents. That was lesson 18. Thanks for joining me.